MaMzobe is officially the leader of AmaJudea, and the Mthembus are disappointed and heartbroken. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 20th to the 24th of November 2023 on Monday. The Mthembus are heartbroken after MaMzobe has officially taken the church leadership. Spa questions UMthembu on Tuesday. Uspamandla gets communication from UMthembu. New winds blows in MaMzobe's direction. Khulekani is turned down by Lenkosi on Wednesday. Difa starts making arrangement ukuthi ke ayokhokha ilobolo likazodwa to MaMzobe's chagrin. Khulekani avoid intimacy with Lenkosi, who confides in Mbabusi about it. Zibuse declined to take the letter to his family for lobola negotiations on Thursday. MaMzobe imprisons Nokubonga, but Mashezi set her free. Nomkhosi is determined to save her marriage. Nokubonga returns home on Friday. Chicken come home to roost for someone at ethempelini lenkosi. Nomkhosi fails to convince Khulekani to attend the church important service. Nokubonga lashes out at Mazungu for causing her pain. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.